Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I can't quit smiling. I am so happy to be back. I'm back to taping. I'm back to taping in my room. We are back to boxes. And would I start with any other box than my new Goldieboxed? No, I wouldn't. So let's get in here and see what I've got. If you are new to the channel, or if you haven't watched any of my FabFitFun spoilers, I have been away from taping for a couple of weeks because my husband had to go to the office. There was a question of a COVID exposure. He is fine. He did his 2 weeks worth of quarantine and we are blessed. Everything is fine. But he took the upstairs, I took the downstairs, so I'd have the kitchen. And my taping room is upstairs, so I couldn't do any of my unboxings. So I missed Goldieboxed when it first came out. I couldn't unbox it and I was devastated. But we're gonna get into this now. Let me tell you a little bit about it. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this because she taped it well. It is so heavy. I can't wait to see what I got. I shouldn't say I can't wait to see it. I chose it. That is the beauty of Goldie-Boxed, is she does customizations, but it's not like FabFitFun where you get the first 9 things and you get to pick one, and then you get the 7 and you get to pick one. She shows you everything, and depending on what size box you chose, you get to pick as many items as you'd like. I keep saying she, but just in case you guys don't know, this box is done for us by Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. I will link her below. I will link this box below. I will link my code, which is Kathrin10, which will get you 10% off your first box. And so you know, this box was sent to me free for review by Jessica. And I would tell you, honestly, if it didn't work for me, but I already know that it does because like I said, I did the customizations. So when we open it up, oh my goodness, it is packed so well. And also it got here in 2 days. If you would like to, you can do 2-day shipping, and it got here so fast. And then of course I couldn't tape, I felt so bad. When we open it up, we have right on top cardboard that she showed this on her Insta and it looked so cool. I wanted one. I have absolutely no need for one, but she took pieces of cardboard and she fed it into this machine, and look, it turned it into packing material. This is gonna be a box that gives back. It's companies that give back. Jessica's trying to do as much recycling, save a tree. For every box that is sold, they're planting a tree. It's just, you're gonna love it. Okay, and we have trees on our tissue paper for winter. This is the winter box and it has sold out. That's what the inside looks like. But Jessica is now doing an in-between box is what she's calling it, and it's falling in between winter and spring, and my code will work for that. And you go in and some of these items sold out, but she's replaced them with other items, so you are still in charge of customizing your box. And she offers 4 different size boxes, so you can pick the box that Goldie-Boxed is just right for you. There is the bronze box, and that comes with 3 customizable options, and it is $29.99. There is the silver bear box, and that comes with 5 customizable options. Plus, in each one of the boxes, you get a bonus item. So if you get the bronze bear, you get the bronze bonus item. But if you get the silver bear, you get the silver bonus item and the bronze bonus item. And again, the silver is $44.99. But if you get the gold bear, it is $59.99, but you get 7 customizable options and all 3 of the bonus items, the bronze, the silver, and the gold bonus items. And then there's the surprise bear, and it is $21.99 if you just want to be surprised by 3 items. This winter box has sold out, but available now until February 28th. It's the in-between box where you can still go in and do customizations, and then starting March 1st, it'll be the spring box. Okay, enough about that. Although I will tell you at the end, she showed us 4 options of what might be in the gold box for spring, and she let all of the people who get the gold box go in and select the item that they would like to most see as the gold exclusive, because each of the boxes has an exclusive. So the gold bears went in and picked which we wanted to be our gold bear exclusive. I don't know what that is now, but she did give me permission to tell you the 4 items we were choosing between. In the box, we have the paperwork. You can choose to get this online. It can come to your iPad or to your phone. For the sake of doing the videos, I know I feel guilty about it, but for the sake of doing the videos, it's much easier for me if I just have a piece of paper here. Ooh, that I can read to you. And this gives you all of the options. It tells you not only what you chose, but the other options. So I can let you know the kinds of things that were available in this box. And again, this is the gold box. So this was the $59.99 box. Reaching right in on top, I have, oh, glasses time. Mother and Son, and I think this was a bath salt. Yes, Mother and Son Eucalyptus Rosemary Bath Salts. And that is what that looks like. And let's read about it. This says it is a eucalyptus and rosemary all-natural bath salt and foot soak. Perfect for sore muscles and feet. And it has an $11.85 value. And I chose this because there is nothing in the winter that I like better than a nice bath soak. And it has risen mostly to the top, so I'm not going to take the lid off because I just tried it and it was going to make a mess, and I would like to be doing that over my bath, but it smells so good. All right, reaching in next, I have the Wang Jisoo Pure Daily Foaming Cleanser, and I got it in moisturizing. She had a lot of different options. There was a little set that you could try each of the flavors. There were several of the foaming cleansers. There was a cleansing oil, so many choices. But I chose the moisturizing, let's get it out of here, the moisturizing cleanser, because you guys know I have super dry skin. And this is what that looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is so exciting. I can't believe Jess did her own box. She's been working so hard on this, and I am so proud of her. I cannot pretend like I am not slightly biased. This is Hwang Jisoo. It has a $25 value, and it's an EWG verified all natural K-beauty brand. And I would read to you about it, but there is not a word of this in English. It's all in the Korean because it's Korean beauty. I cannot wait to try it, and hopefully in an empties, I'll be letting you guys know just exactly what I thought about it. Reaching in next, I have, I think, a palette with the first box because she had plenty. Just let us pick. There were 2 palettes offered, and she let us pick both of them if we wanted to. So spoiler alert, you guys know me. I cannot say no to a palette, so there's another palette over there in that box. But this one is the Maybe Take Me to Paris. So this is the pastel one. Wait till you see the other one. It's brights. But that's what that looks like. Oh, it is so pretty. You guys know I just love a pink, so I am going to love that. Look at those pretty colors. The paperwork says Maybe Cosmetics, $23 value, a fun eyeshadow palette. Take a trip with the feminine Take Me to Paris, which is what this one is, or the bold Take Me to Tokyo. And we'll get there in a sec. Shall we go ahead and swatch a couple of these? Yeah, let's swatch them because I am, look at that green. Oh my goodness, let's just, oh, it's really nice and creamy. Look how pretty that green is. That green is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love that. What else should we try? Look at this pink. You guys know I love a pink. Oh wow, the pigment is amazing. For just a matte, look how pretty that pink is. Let's do one more. Should we do this darker red one down here? I like that a lot. Again, really creamy. And we'll just put that one right here. Oh wow, those are so pretty. That's gonna make such a pretty eye, especially with spring coming. That is gorgeous. I went ahead and took a minute to get that also. When we come to the next palette, we've got some space. Okay, reaching in next, I have a River and Birch Maple Cinnamon Candle. I love candles. I just love having candles burning, so I'm almost always going to pick a candle when it's a choice. She told us really good things about this, and there are essential oils in it, but the essential oils are pet friendly. So you know, sometimes when I used to do my oil boxes, which I haven't done in a while, but I used to say, you know, sometimes you can't use all essential oils around pets. One of their claims to fame is they use essential oils that you can use around pets. Let's see what maple cinnamon smells like. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that really does. Oh, that's so nice. That's what it looks like. Nice little candle with a wick. It is clean burning, natural, and hand poured. Candles are kind of like palettes for me. If there's a available candle or palette, I'm gonna be picking it. River Birch Candles, $14, a pet safe and all natural soy candle in the scent Maple Cinnamon. Thought I remembered it was pet safe. You know, Jessica's got those cute little puppies. Okay, next we have, and while I'm getting it, let me tell you, she also has a shop. So if you want to go in and check out her shop, it is so cool because she does mystery boxes in there. She has a skincare mystery box and a pamper mystery box, and this is the best one. Are you ready? Mr. Mystery Box. So for men, Mr. Mystery Box, they're like $24.99. You should definitely go over and check out. Like I said, I'll put the links below, but you should definitely go over and check out her shop. This is the Restore Skin Essentials Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Aging Serum. I chose this because, again, you guys know I have the driest skin, and I am always, hyaluronic acid is so good for dry skin. So this says directions: cleanse skin thoroughly, apply several drops onto fingertips, and gently massage into desired area. I think one of the things that I was super impressed with this by was, I think it was inexpensive. I think I remember thinking, if I love that, that's gonna be nice to replace. You know, most of the things you find you love, when you replace them, they're $1 billion. This is $11.99. A hyaluronic booster to layer with or add to your favorite moisturizer. Well, let's see what it feels like. When we take the lid off, get a nice little squeeze up in there. It's just nice and clear. It's not too thick. I like that. I don't love it when they're too thick. So I put 3 because right now the back of my hands can use whatever I want to give them. No scent, scent-free. Did it say it was fragrance-free? Because I smell absolutely nothing. Well, no, but it says it's water and sodium hyaluronate. So I guess neither of those things have a scent. Well, the back of my hands thoroughly appreciated that. So I cannot wait to try this. Next I have, and this was wrapped so well, I have Aero coasters. And I know you're thinking, coasters? Yes, I chose these. We use Thirsty Stones around here so much, and I loved the look of these. See how pretty they are? It's wrapped in the twine. They're big. I think these are bigger than my coasters. I like that because I have some 20-ounce cups around here that I'm gonna love that. I took the twine off because I wanted to be able to show you guys up close. That is so pretty. I like that. That's gonna look great in my living room. This says Thirsty Stone, $20, a set of 4 cork-backed gypsum coasters with pretty bronze arrows. That is true. That is exactly what I have. I love that they're fully cork-backed and they won't slide and they protect my wood. I like that a lot. Okay, next, and you absolutely did not have to do this. I'll tell you your other choices that you could have had. But for my other choice, I chose the other palette. And then I still have all the bonus items. This one is the Take Me to Tokyo. And this is the one that's gonna be the brighter colors. Let's see. It is gorgeous. These are gonna be so fun to play with. I probably wouldn't do a whole eye in these, but I would like pick one for my pop of color. Look at those colors. Let's watch a couple of these. Well, let's try this orange. Let's see what we've got for the orange. And how about this pink and this blue? And this is pink or purple? It looks kind of pink to me in person, but it looks a little purple. Oh no, definitely purple. So this is the orange and the pink, the blue, and that purple. Those are gonna be so much fun to play with, guys. I just used a cleansing wipe to take these off the back of my hand, and if you came across that cleansing wipe in somebody's bathroom, wouldn't you think they'd been out having a good time? That is a cleansing wipe that looks like it's been having some fun. Okay, and this again is a $23 palette. I don't think I've had any Maybe palettes. I hope it's Maybe is how you say it. It's kind of new to me, but the pigments on them, actually, even though I've cleaned it off, can you see that pink is still there? They have really great pigments. Next we have the winter bonuses, and I'll start with, the first is the bronze bonus. So if you had gotten the bronze box, this is what would have been your bonus, and it is the All About Velour Vanilla Coffee Bath Bomb. Oh, you can almost smell it through here. I don't want to open it because I'm afraid that it will make a mess, but they say just unwrap it and put it in a tub of warm water. Once diluted, enjoy. It's got almond oil in it. Also, don't eat it. It says right on it, don't eat it, no matter how much you're tempted. It's got coffee essential oil in it, almond oil, vanilla essential oil. So this is gonna be good for you too. And it says it has a $10 value, a coffee scented bath bomb. See our winter tips for how to use a bath bomb without a bathtub. And if we look at the winter tips that she's told us, it says that you can put it in a breathable bag and place it in a drawer or closet for an air freshener, dissolve in water and then pour into a water bottle for a linen or room spray. Use a small tub or bowl as a hand or foot soak. Crush and mix with dried flowers in a glass jar for homemade potpourri. Yeah, no, those are good ideas, but I think I'm just gonna take a bath. All right, next, and if you got the silver box, this was your bonus. Chocolate, and it is Sugarfina chocolate, and I love Sugarfina. The little gummy bears is kind of like how they got famous, and those little Sugarfina gummy bears are amazing. But these are maple bourbon caramels. And this is the bonus if you got the silver box, but if you get the gold box, you get all 3 bonuses. So it's a nice little box of chocolates. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is an $8.95 value, rich dark chocolate, maple caramel, infused with the flavor of Kentucky bourbon. But it's not alcoholic, so that's good. So anybody can have them. Yum. I can't wait. I don't want to get into it now because I'm unboxing, but I cannot wait to get in here. Made in the USA, 2.6 ounces. Yum. And last but not least, if you're a Gold Box member, obviously you get all 3 of the bonuses because I showed you the bronze and the silver. But the gold bonus is two beauty sponges. We have a nice pink one and a nice beige one. I don't know if there's a difference. Let's see. This one says Base Blue Air Sponge. Air Sponge is made from a high density material that can be used to reach a flawless look. This one, which is the beige one, says Air Sponge Full Coverage. Maximize foundation and concealer applications with the Air Sponge Full Coverage to achieve a glowing complexion. So this one must be a little more dense. So yay, two new beauty sponges. I love them because, and I hate to admit this, I probably don't clean them as much as one should. You know, you should probably really use the soap on them every day. And I turn them and I use the next side, and then I turn them and I use the next side, and then I clean them. They say they're good as a rule for like 3 months, but I like to go through them a little quicker than that since I feel like I don't clean them as often. So I'm happy to have two more. That is what I chose for my Goldie Box for winter 2021. And my value for my box that I built, and there were more expensive items that I didn't choose. And I got a $160 box for my $59.99 value. So it's worth almost triple what the box costs. But just so you know, you also could have chosen, they had Bomblicity Candy Scrub and Sanitizer Wipe Set. They had a Do Everything in Love, a velvet burnout ponytail scarf or headband for a nice winter look. She did a Final Straw, which is an eco-friendly solution to reduce single-use plastic straw waste. And it was kind of metal and it collapsed and it went down into its own little case and it was a magnetic closure. So cute. I have a lot of straws to go, so I went ahead and skipped it, but I really kind of liked it and hated that I skipped it afterwards. She did a Folly Fire Stunning Highlighter in Reality, which was a champagne gold shimmer. There were other coaster choices. She did a set of keychains, and one of them was the kind that you can touch without actually touching and pull doors, and so you don't have to be out there touching things out in the world. I gave that serious thought. She had a Nalia, it says cozy gray. Oh, it's a cozy gray winter hat with pearl accents. So cute. The Overtone, a chemical-free deep conditioning treatment mask. A Root Natural, all natural wildflower botanic steam. Talking tables, it was $50. A music game night in a box. Family friendly and perfect for a night of bonding with family and friends. And then she also had mask sets. And it says right on the back of this, some of these things I've told you, but a tree is planted for every box sold through our partnership with OneTreePlanted.org. That is so cool. And then packing material in the box and around fragile items is made by recycling cardboard. Down to the spoilers for spring. And I'm just going to go over these really quickly because she gave me permission to do it. All of the Goldieboxed Gold Bear subscribers were sent an email asking them which of these 4 products they would like to see as the Gold Bear exclusive for spring. So the 4 choices were the Diff Blue Light Glasses, and there were 2 options with a MSRP of $75. A hand-woven table runner, 18 by 16, and there were 2 options, yellow and white or orange and red, a Skin & Co. Therapy Eye Concentrate, or a Halos, oh, I didn't put my earrings on, Halos 18 karat gold medium 2-inch hoops. I have my Halos. I thought I left them up here. I need to look for those. I have a couple of pair of those Halos, and that's what I voted for because it was a pair I didn't have. If you're a Goldie Box Gold Bear, let me know below. What did you choose to see as the Gold Bear exclusive? That is the very first Goldie Box from Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. I love it. I love that I got makeup and skincare and housewares, a little snack, and I get to soak in a bathtub. I personally think she did a fantastic job. Let me know below what you guys think. Again, I will put my link below. If you use Kathrin10, it will get you 10% off your first box. Plus, she has the shop. You can go over and check out the shop. She's got lots of good things in there. And if you are thinking you want to sign up, not for the between box, but for the spring box, you have to wait until March 1st. I'll remind you guys when we get closer to that time. I am so excited for her, and I think she did such a fantastic job, and I cannot wait to see what spring brings. Just knowing what the spoilers are, I already know it's going to be a great box. All right, guys, thank you for coming by. I have missed you guys so much. I'm happy to be back up here taping, and I'm getting ready to tape a couple of more, so act like you haven't seen me in this shirt, and have a great day, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon.